friend of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. Firstly, you need to hold your device's display and then select this gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on More. Select icon size and swipe left or right in order to adjust it. You can see a preview of it here. When you're ready, click on the back button twice and tap on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!